spinal cord, cauda equina at L1, 2, then how do we call this?
The nerve roots?
Cauda equina. This is the conus, cauda equina, the tail of a horse, and then at each level the nerves are going out, right? So, imagine you know what the spinal injection is, right? In the spinal, you go, here's the dura. And the dura goes as well a little toward the nerve root here, it covers them. In the spinal, you go under the dura and you put local anesthetic. And then people can give birth without pain because everything is numbed. Now, in the epidural, you put that local anesthetic outside. What that means, works almost like spinal, but less. So they don't get paralyzed, like they do with the spine. But it does communicate, as it does inside, there's a space here. We call that subdural space, we call that epidural space. That's why it's called epidural steroid injection. When you put anything here, it communicates, it turns around, goes everywhere, and it goes up and down actually. It goes like many levels up. So, if you put a needle here and do a so-called epidural steroid injection, it just prevents the pain from anywhere, few levels up, all the way down, like when you do spinal anesthesia, it's gone. So what that means, if I do a epidural injection here, it literally prevent the pain from anywhere from here down. Is any part about that diagnostic? No, it's therapeutic.
Yeah.
So a diagnostic injection requires anesthesia medication to stay local. What do? Like here's the facet. We put 1 cc, 2 cc right on the facet, where there's no space for that to go up and down. As a matter of fact, we don't want to do more. Or we put it where the nerve medial branch that turns around, we put it on the nerve. This is actually more, or you put it literally if somebody has a hardware. You put it around, you infiltrate around the hardware to see if the hardware itself is causing the problem. Or you put it in the sacroiliac joint, where it stays within the joint, and then those are diagnostic. Epidural steroid injection by itself is a therapeutic injection and is never diagnostic. Okay, thank you.